Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fidelity platform. First, let's get your account set up. You'll need to gather some basic personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Then, head to the Fidelity website or download their mobile app. Look for the Open an Account option, choose the type that suits your needs, like a brokerage or IRA, and fill out the application. Finally, link your bank account to easily fund your new investment account. Once your account is open, navigating the Fidelity platform is straightforward. Your main dashboard provides an overview of your account balances and investment performance. Use the navigation bar to explore various tools, research options, and personalize your settings. The Investing tab offers market news, sector performance, and allows you to create watch lists. You can also customize your layout and link tools for a more efficient experience. Now, let's talk about making investments. You can easily search for specific investments like stocks, ETF, or mutual funds using the search bar. Once you've found what you're looking for, select the account you wish to use and enter the dollar amount or number of shares you want to buy. Always preview your order carefully before submitting it. For consistent growth, consider setting up recurring investments, which allow you to automate contributions weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Effectively managing your portfolio is key to long-term success. Regularly check your Positions tab to monitor daily gains and losses across your investments. Fidelity offers excellent screener tools to help you research new opportunities based on your criteria. You can also manage how dividends and capital gains are distributed. Remember, you can easily adjust your recurring investments or transfer funds between accounts whenever your financial goals evolve.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.